alphabet. It's one of the 14 alphabets in the world. Georgian alphabet went through the 3 stages of development. In the first one, it dates back to 5th century. So the Georgian slang that I like is shens irs shakari. Literally, it means to put sugar in someone's mouth. You use it in a situation when, for example, somebody tells you something really pleasant, and you in response tell them shens irs shakari, which means that thank you for wishing me that, and to eat something sweet. So the invention that comes from the country of Georgia is something that you might not expect to hear. Actually, it is wine. The earliest evidence of wine dates back to 6,000 years before Christ. So I definitely recommend you to try Georgian wine. If you see it anywhere in a supermarket, go ahead and grab the bottle and let me know what you think about it. So there are a lot of Georgian songs that are really nice, but I would like to share with you one of the songs that are really liked by my foreign friends. And this song is by Nino Katamadze. It's called Kuchashi Ertkhel. Kuchashi Ertkhel, Natsnov man karma.